Hello, YouTube world. Michelle Farley here. I wanted to speak to you for a minute today about alimony in Pennsylvania. I do find that alimony is something that has people confused, and there's a lot of misunderstandings. The alimony factors at law do vary by state. And again, I'm a Pennsylvania divorce lawyer focusing primarily on negotiating settlements so that we can have an uncontested divorce. And I also offer mediated divorce services. But I find that questions about alimony and misunderstandings about alimony often delay the start of the divorce process. And in Pennsylvania, I would say that in general, alimony is not automatically given out in every case. And in fact, in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania, you have to prove that you're the financially dependent party and that you need alimony from the other party. And in Pennsylvania, there are 16 factors at law. I'm not going to go over all those factors here, but they have to do with the relative earnings of the parties, whether one party will be serving as the primary custodial parent of minor children, whether either party has any expectancy of a significant inheritance. So there are 16 factors, and that's something that we can discuss, certainly, if we're negotiating your divorce situation. But I would ask that, you certainly consider, not only is there a difference in income of the parties, that has to be true in order for alimony to be awarded in Pennsylvania, but really, do you need it? Do you need it? Because if you're working, perhaps you don't need alimony. We would build a budget for you and make sure that you have money for housing moving on. And, perhaps we can negotiate other assets be distributed to you, in which case, if we get your budget and your monthly needs covered, then perhaps you don't need alimony. I do find that there's often a mental block. One side really wants alimony and the other side is adamant that they will not pay alimony. So let's not necessarily get tied up on alimony. That shouldn't be the thing holding us up, and maybe it doesn't have to be. So I look forward to hearing from you. If you need help settling a divorce in Pennsylvania, I'd be happy to hear from you. Michelle Farley, Farley Law, LLC, 570-269-5441.